Big Thunder Mountain Railroad ride at Disneyland is a fun little roller coaster. It's pretty mild. There's no loops. There's no anything crazy, no like jerky movements. It's just pretty fun and pretty mild for almost anybody. You do have to be over 40 inches tall or 101.6 centimeters tall. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, there are a few flashing lights, bumps, but as all in all, it's a pretty mild, fun little roller coaster. Here you can see how Disneyland is really good for tall people. My husband is 6'4" and his knees are right up to it, but it is pretty great. Disneyland is great that way.
Press the button. Press the button.
I would suggest that Big Thunder Mountain is one of your first rides. It does seem to break down quite often and then get very, very busy. So make this one of your top priorities. Like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Thank you for watching.